Hello everyone, welcome to Website Builders. In today's video, we will learn how to add subdomain and how to install WordPress in Plesk panel. Before getting started, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. So let's get started. The very first step is to log in the Plesk panel. And after login, go to Websites and Domain section on the left hand side. After this, you have to click on Add Subdomain button. Now, you will be redirected to the section where you need to add preferred subdomain. Here, we are adding our subdomain by the name trial. Everything else remains the same. You just need to click on OK button. So now, your subdomain is getting created. After this, it will automatically take you to the dashboard where you can see the subdomain. So our next step is to install WordPress so that we can access the backend and make changes according to our requirements. Here in the dashboard, we have the option to install WordPress. Click on Install WordPress and it will take you to some installation option where you can change the website title, and the most important part is to set up the username and password by which we can access the WordPress dashboard. In the passwords section, we can also generate the password. After all these steps, just click on Install and you are ready to go with your subdomain. Installation may take some time and it will automatically redirect you to the dashboard page. So now to log in, you just need to add /wp-admin after your subdomain as shown in the video. After entering the username and password we just created, we can log in the WordPress dashboard. Now we are on the WordPress dashboard of our newly created subdomain. Hope you like this video. We make videos related to digital marketing, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.